How to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first method involves heading over to the anti-cheat software of the Epic Games. So to do that, just head over to your search bar, search for Epic Games, and click on this open file location. Now in here you can see the Epic Games launcher. So what you need to do is to just right click on it, click on properties, and then from in there you can see this target right here. So what you need to do is to just take note of this target and then head over to this specific location. So you can just find it on your this PC, local disk, program files, and then Epic Games right here. Now once you have Fortnite installed, you can just head over in there and you can find the anti-cheat software. So and the anti-cheat software looks like this right here. So you can just click on current game and click on start, and then it will appear finished right here. Now if that still doesn't work for you, what you can do next is to head over to your Windows security and add Fortnite as exclusion. So just head over to the search bar, search for Windows security right here. So click on open, and now it will open like this. So in here you can see your security at glance. You can just click on this app and browser control if you want. So let's click on this one right here, and then in here you can see this all of the settings right here, this exploit protection also. So you can just click on the settings right here and you can add Fortnite as an exclusion on this thing right here. So the next thing that you can do is to verify the files of Fortnite. To do that, you need to open the Epic Games launcher, and then from there just head over to your library, and then after you have done that, you can just click on these three dots right here until you can see the manage option, and then from in there you can just verify the file integrity using that. So the next thing you need to do is to check your GPU. So to check your GPU, you can just head over to the search bar right here, search for device manager, and then open it. Now once you have opened that, this will appear right here. So what you can do is just head over to display adapters and then just click on this mark right here, and here you can see your graphics. So what you can do is just right click on that, click on properties, and in here you can see the driver option. You can either update it, disable it, uninstall it, and then restart your device in order to install it back. Now once you have done that, your Fortnite should be start launching. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. If you have questions and comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.